the .ipt file, it's measured in millimeters. We'll start by creating a 2D sketch and selecting any plane. We'll draw a rectangle. We'll use the dimension tool to add dimensions to this rectangle. We will finish the sketch and extrude it 9.6 millimeters. Now, to create the studs on top of this brick, we'll create a new sketch and select this top face. We'll draw a circle somewhere inside this rectangle here, and we'll use the dimension tool to add dimensions to this circle. There. So it's 4 millimeters from either side, and the diameter of the circle is 4.8 millimeters. We'll finish this sketch and again extrude it by only 1.6 millimeters this time. Now, we're not going to do this for every single stud. In fact, we'll use it in the pattern tool tab. We'll use a rectangular pattern tool and select the stud. We want the stud to go this direction and this direction. So we'll select this, select the back edge, and as you can see, this green arrow is pointing in this direction, and this green outline is where all the studs will be. So we can flip it by clicking this button. We want 4 studs, but as you can see, it's going to go off the edge of this because each stud is too far apart. So we'll change this bottom parameter to 8. We'll copy this in this opposite direction. There we go, we've got the studs. But we cannot place this brick on top of it itself because this bottom bit is still full. So we use the shell command tool, select this bottom face, and we want the wall thickness to be 1.6 millimeters. Now, to add these circles at the bottom, we'll create a new sketch, select this inside face, and draw a circle somewhere about here. Use the dimension tool. We want the diameter of the circle to be 6.4 millimeters. We want the circle to be 8 millimeters from either edge. Whoops. There. Now, we don't want this entire circle to be extruded, we only want the outside. So we'll come over and edit the sketch, create another circle in exactly the same place. This time it's only going to be 5.6 millimeters in diameter. Finish the sketch. Now we can extrude just this outer circle, and we want to extrude it by 8. And there we go. And again, we'll use the rectangular pattern tool to copy this 3 times inside the brick. So there we have it. We have the brick, but we're going to add a plastic material to it. So we go to Tools. You can just go to Appearance, type Plastic, and if you see the smooth red, we can just click that, double click, highlight, and click. And as you can see, we've got this red plastic material, and there we go.